get him, I didn't get a picture of him. Woo! I took a video. I know. Look at all the apparatus. About to make you walk almost a mile. I got your driver hat on. Oh, that's badass. I wonder whose sheriff's car this is. John O'Toole is here. O'Toole. I don't know whose chief this is. This is badass. Dude, that's a sweet ass setup. It's like Geneva. Yeah. They take such good care of their shit.
Alright, so I guess that other trucks are double facing stuff. So.
Oh, we're good. Okay, cool.
They're running rehab.
Excellent.
See you Saturday.
Yeah, see you Saturday.
See you later, man. Be good.
See you. Have fun.